in terms of the consolidation, it's more shallow than the Nasdaq 100. That's another flag structure, flagging, and it's pending to choose a direction. In terms of volume, we see some profit taking activity, selling into strength on this bar. So this is selling into strength here. Localized increase of the supply. Also another bearish bar, selling into strength. This two bar suggests that there are traders, investors selling into strength, want to lock in the profits. However, there's no follow through to the downside yet. In order for the bearish action to manifest, this is the current supports that we could pay attention to. That's the swing low, about 55.10. You can take it as 5,500 as a round number. As long as this level still holding up well, chances is for it to go up and then to test the overbought of the channel. If you look at the S&P 500, this fit nicely in this up channel. There's the low, there's a higher low, and that touches this demand line, and there's the overbought line. We can see that throughout this period, almost like 2 months or even 3 months, is grinding along the overbought of the channel. Whenever it hit the overbought of the channel, it doesn't mean that it has to normalize back to the middle part or even to the other end of the up channel. It could have this kind of the grinding up situation. They keep grinding up of the overbought of the up channel until it lost the momentum, picking up of the supply, and then breakdown of the localized support that should pull back, which is still not too bad in this case. So let's take a look at the consolidation. Here is the consolidation. Here is another consolidation, and here as well. Compared to this consolidation, that's 1, that's 2, this up, and that's 1.5. After it breakdown of the localized support with bearish bar here, increasing of the supply, and it still tend to bounce up and kickstart the pullback. Here it is. 1 and 2 is similar. They are similar in terms of the magnitude of the pullback, and the bullish flag is still unfolding. In terms of the supply level, I already mentioned that apart from this bar here and also this two bar here comes with a localized increase of the supply. The rest are very normal. Here is also similar, but the other part is losing up of the bullish momentum and also poor quality of the demand. When the supply came out, break the localized support, that kickstart the pullback. We could anticipate the momentum still carry on until it finds some spike of the supply, and also it goes up to the other end of the channel overbought. Here's a channel overbought, but it's in the middle part of the channel, slightly towards the overbought part of the up channel. We could anticipate high bump into the overbought condition. We need to monitor it day by day. Short term, I anticipate a breakout to happen. If it could break out here, then it's likely to go up and then to test the channel overbought. If it breaks down, if it breaks below here, we could see some volatility to catch up and then to have a pullback. And immediate support level could be around 5,400. That's the demand line of the up channel, similar to this two spot and also here as well. The first support level that you need to hold is 5,500. Next support level will be around 5,400. That will be the up channel demand line, and immediate target would be the other end of the overbought of the channel, could be about 50. If it breaks out, we could see some continuation to the upside.